Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a fun, quick card using the October 2024 Show Us Your Sheet Load PDF from Call Me Crafty Al. So we're going to be using the Sweet Days of Autumn Designer Series paper and sticker sheet. Well, we won't be actually using the sticker sheet, but that's what this is called, okay? My little pieces are falling out. We're also going to be using the sentiment from the autumn leaves. And I have another card to show you because I made one ahead of time with using different products. So before we get started on our project, we're going to go over some buzzworthy business of the day. Excuse my granddaughter in the background. We have our paper pumpkin kit, the Nest of Christmas. This is going to make 10 cards and has a shaded spruce stamping spot. Mary Tags and More Dies is the add-on for $12. It coordinates with October, November, and December paper pumpkin kits. And this kit will coordinate with Nest of Winter Sweet Collection in the mini catalog. Next, we have 30% off all kits from our kits collection. Those are the all the kits except for the scrapbooking kits and the paper pumpkin. So if you go online, those kits that you can find in the kits collection section are 30% off October 1st to the 31st, okay? Whoops. We have another one. Starter kit special for the whole month of October. When you purchase the starter kit for $99 plus tax, you're going to get to choose $155 worth of product. It's usually $125, so they're throwing in an extra $30 for you. So the shipping on your kit is also free, so there's another savings right there. So you get to choose whatever you want, $155 worth, only $99 plus tax, okay? October's host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards. And Stampin' Rewards equals free products from Stampin' Up! And I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. And if you didn't already know, this kit, if it's your first time signing up for Paper Pumpkin, you'll get 40% off of this particular kit when you sign up, okay? So let's go ahead and get started on our project. So I have a card base here of Cajun Craze, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. We have some crushed curry that is 5 by 3 3/4, and we're gonna, what is this? Basic white, 3.5 by 4 3/4, and we're gonna glue a strip of 3/4 inch. And we're going to cut it down to 3.5 inch of designer series paper. And this is going to be for the inside of our card. So we're just going to put this right there, like so. Get my scissors and cut off the extra if I can stop moving it. This is why I usually let it sit for a second. We're going to trim off that extra. So I have a couple of little pieces I want to decorate my inside with that I cut out from the designer series paper. I have a little half of a bear there, a leaf, well, 2 leaves. Okay, so let's go ahead and glue this down. And we're going to put this right up against the edge here, just like this. And we're going to get a little bit of glue on this leaf here. I'm going to put it down right there. Then we're going to get this leaf, put a little bit of glue, and we're going to put it down right there, just like that. Then we're going to put this onto our crushed curry piece, and that'll be the inside of our card done. Oh man, that doesn't look right, does it? Okay, let me see what I can do. Okay, so I got that cut down. Let's put that on here. Glue this to the inside of our card. Just like that. It's already looking cute. Okay, so now The measurements for this PDF or for this card can be found on a free PDF offered by Alicia from Call Me Crafty Owl. I will have a link in the description box and you can get all the measurements there. So I'm just going to give you the pieces that I'm using. So I have 5 pieces of Designer Series paper. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're going to, I think, start up here. But this one, this is going to be a cute little layout. So let me put this here. If my glue come on, there we go. We're going to sit this right at the top. Try to get an even border. Then this one is going to go at the bottom. And if you have directional paper, make sure you pay attention to your direction. I'm trying not to push the paper down so that if I need to adjust anything, I can do that, because the liquid glue allows me to have a little bit of liquid wiggle room. Of course, it has a liquid. It's liquid glue. Okay, I think that is good. So we'll press that down. And I think that is good. So we'll press that down. And now we'll glue this to our card base. I am trying to use more Designer Series paper. And my next thing is to try to use more ribbon. So we're working on the Designer Series paper right now. Okay, so we have that down. Now we have a piece of basic white here that I'm going to stamp on. I have my sentiment from the, what did I just tell you? The autumn leaves. We're going to be stamping in Cajun Craze. I went ahead and flagged these ends using my snips. We're going to, did I use my snips or a punch? I don't even know. I didn't like that. So we're going to try to get that one a little straighter. My ink pad needs to be re-inked or something. It looks two-tone. Yeah, okay. That's all the stamping. Now we're going to adhere this down to a piece of crushed curry. Now this piece here I cut smaller than the PDF set because I cut this one down to the size of the PDF. So I did change a little bit, just a little bit of what I wanted to do. So we're going to do that. Ooh, this is not sticking. Okay, I think I'm going to use some dimensionals to pop this up. So let's put some Stampin' Dimensionals on. Just going to put 3 right here in the middle, because a little bit of this is going to be hanging off. We're going to try to get this centered. Before I press it down. I'm probably going to make it crooked trying to make it straight. Okay, we're going to leave it like that. So then I have a little animal that I cut out from our Designer Series paper. And we're going to put him right here, little porcupine. And I have a little tree here. And I'm going to sit that right behind him like this. I think I need to move him over because I forgot I put dimensionals under there. I don't want dimensionals on top of dimensionals. So I need to move him over a little bit more. So let's get some glue and glue down this little tree. We're just going to set him right there like that. So that is the card done. So now what I need to do is bling it up a bit. So for the bling, I am going to be using the Naturals Adhesive-Backed sequence. And I'm going to be using these copper ones. Let me get my Take Your Pick tool. I'm going to put a few of these on here. I can get it to come off. Oh my. Let's see. That's cute. I like it. Okay, so that is our card done. What do you think? Isn't that a cute little sketch? Our inside. Now let me show you the other card that I made ahead of time. So for this card, I used the Halloween Memories stamp set and the Scrapbooking Brochure Halloween Spells Designer Series paper and sticker sheet. So both these items can be found in the online brochure, as well as this designer paper that we used on the first card. The online brochure for the scrapbooking, okay? The scrapbooking supplies. So this is what I made. So it's a Halloween card, spooky fun. This bat is from the sticker sheet in the designer series paper. I flagged the ends with the, I think it's called the happy labels. Not flagged it, but scalloped it. So little differences. And that's the inside. Pool Party is the base, basic black. Yeah, and I used the shiny sequence. Yep. So that is our project for today, okay, you guys? That's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.